So this ship right here is my subject for this exercise. And with this wide shot in my basement, you can see the window and you can see the ship in the lower left. It's kind of backlit, the light on it is not very appealing, but if I slightly turn it towards the window, it really comes alive and the light is much better. I turned on a lamp, so it's sort of lit from above. The light on it once again is kind of flat. However, if I turn it slightly towards the source of the light, the ship looks much better. What if I take it outside in the bright sun? We have a backlit image where the ship's in shadow. I'm holding a white piece of paper, using it as a reflector, and the paper reflects light back onto the ship. Here's the same setting without using the paper as the reflector. And here's another example where we've got the paper on the left. This is side lit, so some of the shadows are filled in, but if you compare it here, you can see there's more shadows. So that reflector adds some light. Speaking of modifying light, I cut a hole in a piece of cardboard. So you can see there's the light coming through the cardboard, and then I can use it to place emphasis on certain parts of my ship. I tried it in another setting. Here's the direct sun hitting it, unmodified. And here I am once again holding my cardboard, and I can nicely add emphasis right on the cross on the ship right there. So I'm modifying the light. If you use a piece of paper as a cardboard as a reflector, depending on the angle of how you're reflecting the light on your subject, considering the source of the light, the object can look radically different. Here's what the ship looks like without any reflector. Now, I had that hole in the cardboard, so I just started experimenting it as not so much modifying the light, but modifying my viewpoint, and just tried different experiments. So you can start off with one project, and when the creative process kicks in, you're never exactly sure where you're going to end up.